went ahead and did this eye already because honestly I really wasn't sure where I was going with today's look. So we're just going to focus on the left eye today. I'm going to be using the James Charles and Morphe palette. I'm going to start by taking a T on a very tiny pencil brush. So I'm going to just use this brush to stamp out that crease basically. So I'm just going to pack the shade T onto where that cut crease line is going to be. And I'm going to take this collab crease brush and blend that out just to soften those edges. Now I'm going to take the same collab brush and that same brown shade and pack that on to the outer corner of the eye. And once I get that pigment nice and packed on, I'm going to blend out the edges. And to do that, I'm going to tap into this white a little bit and then just soften the edges using the white. I'm going to take that same pencil brush and this time I'm going to go into Benny, and then I'm just going to take that shade and intensify that crease and be careful to just get it on where that crease is. As you can tell, I am holding my brush more towards the tip of the brush and that gives me more control and precision. And I'm just using scratching motions to apply that shade to the crease. And then I'm going to go back in with that collab brush and just once again soften the edges a little bit. But this time I don't want to take away too much from that crease. So just focusing it on the outer edge of that. And then going back in with that same brush and the shade Benny, I'm going to apply it to my lash line and really work it in that lash line. Also, my cats are being psycho. Sorry about that. And sorry about my AC, but it's hot, it's summer, I'm just gonna have to run it. And then I'm going to take that same shade and create a little bit of a wing with it. And now I'm going to use the collab brush to take the shade Benny and apply it to the outer corner, but I'm not going to extend it as far as the shade T, and connecting it to that crease. Picking up some more white, I'm going to soften the edges, and that little wing we created is just kind of the guide for where I want that darker shade to go. Dipping back into T on the same pencil brush, I'm going to run it along my lower lash line, and then I'm going to go back in with this brush to soften those edges. Once again, this look is really just a lot about blending, if you haven't noticed. Now I'm going to take this flat brush and pick up a little bit more Benny just to apply to that outer edge so we have something to blend the gold onto. Now I'm just wiping that brush off to get rid of all of that dark brown. And now I'm going to pick up a very generous amount of wig and apply that to the lid, but staying below that faux crease we created. And I'm just going to first start by pressing that pigment on there and then using sweeping motions to blend it into that outer corner, and just pack that pigment on there until it is the amount of glitter that you like. Next, I'm going to take a brown liner to tightline my waterline. And the final step before lashes is to highlight the inner corner and brow bone, and I'm going to be using the shade So Good. Now it's time for lashes. Sorry if things look different. My psychotic cat knocked over my tripod twice while I was doing my lashes. But that is it for this look. I'm wearing the LA Colors 3D Faux Mink lashes. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you would like to see more tutorials like this. And comment down below what other types of tutorials you'd like to see me do. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!